Ayutla, San Marcos. Ayutla Spanish pronunciation. Ayutla is a municipality in the San Marcos department of Guatemala. It is situated along the Suchiate River natural border with Mexico in the southern part of the department. The municipality center is Ciudad Tecún Umán. There is a combined road and rail bridge known as Puente Rodolfo Robles linking Ayutla to Ciudad Hidalgo in Chiapas, Mexico. There exists a railway which was rebuilt in 2019. In December 2019, the U.S. Treasury Department sanctioned Ayutla's mayor, Erick Zúñiga, under the Foreign Narcotics Kingpin Designation Act, alleging Zúñiga to be a major drug trafficker, while also alleging that Zúñiga controls a drug trafficking organization and supplies cocaine to Mexico's Sinaloa cartel. Climate. Ayutla has tropical savanna climate Kingpin, AW. Geographic location.